So, this is the story of how I interrupted a fucking cell tournament and we won a fucking 5v15, starting out with just 2 people at the start. If you want to hear more about my experience or anything else, just skip to the end and I'll play the clips now.
I don't know if we do this, man.
Bait, like,
oh, knocked.
Okay, wait.
Knocked.
Should we go?
Is that the campfire? Wait, hold on.
That's one
Nice.
group.
Get out, get out.
Holy shit!
Bro, I told you!
50% getting jumped by like 4 people.
what's your fucking run to the park?
I can't fucking run!
Oh,
What
what's
do
your
you think
dead?
I'm trying to do? It doesn't let me run from this many fucking people!
Think we're ready.
Oh There's an army. There's an army. I'm out of here.
I'm far from my son, they'll not hold it.
Huh?
I need to find my son, Dan will hold it. I taught him Deepwoken, I need to see him in this tournament.
Oh, it's a cell tournament, you say? Well, we kind of already killed 2 of them.
Oh. Well, let me see his work.
Okay.
Bring me up this.
Oh my god, bro.
That guy's really low. He's
Get
blue
a health
tag.
tag.
I know he's low, but I'm also literally one tap.
Oh, then run. Run. I can get it. I can secure it. Hold up.
And now I'm
Healing
gonna
up right
fucking
now.
die.
Healing
Can you, bro? Just run. Just live, Winter. Just live. We're still away.
I'm just fucking eager with this fucking
There's 2. There's another one on me. I need help, Red Box.
I'll just TPSL. TPSL. Where are you?
I'm at the place where you TP. Right here. Put it down.
It's in here. It's in here.
Alright, we got one with us, but I'm really low.
There, I'll take him. You just run around.
Oh my god. He's literally fucking
Nice.
1 HP. A lot easier.
Dolphin's here to fight cell.
Is he?
Oh my god.
I'm very low. Very low.
Where? I see you.
In the middle of like 5 people.
I'm gonna place down a convoy.
Shit, I don't have a
little bit
TP at
behind
worst.
We've gripped a lot of them.
Oh shit, I'm playing a fucking loser, bro.
Vicky, the drill's ready. You're vlogging? Gameplay. Hey kids, I want TPP if I don't.
We're a little preoccupied, I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Oh wait, never mind. Is Gilby's out?
Yes. Somewhere.
Where's Dolphy at, man? Dolphy's okay.
Dude, that's looking sick.
Why are these people using purple cloud in a game? Oh, you guys are freaky. That's hilarious. And you told them that they had a snake in their game? In their guild? That's hilarious. That's so mean.
Dolphy's here. Or like some Dolphy clone with. They're here. For new winter.
I'm getting jumped right now.
Like, I can return you into a convoy.
No, like there's one below you that's low, that's healing. Like down on the other side that down there. Can you go into convoy?
I'm gonna take all my shit.
Go into convoy.
Holy shit,
I'm gonna ban you.
700 ping.
I see you, Winter. Is there any of them low? Crafter, it's time to unleash your key powers.
Why are the shitty guild leaders always shouting at her?
Hey,
It's also yes. It's literally every guild leader.
Dude, I'm fucking 2 bars.
okay, well, I have one on me right now. I'm fighting him.
Going. Okay. No, wait, kill. I need to kill. He's our kill. Oh yeah, he's our so nice.
What do you do?
He's not track him out. Like I need to track him.
He's talking about BC, you banned him.
Oh, here, just
Sitting right next to you, I'm not fighting, not track him out.
Bro, can we get Bethy to serve this guy?
What's that?
I'm not even.
Are you retarded, bro?
Peter's not even up banning him.
I know. I can't even Reaper. Winter, no, don't, I need the Reaper. Yes, fucking god, this bitch is so ass, bro.
There was 15. Holy shit, they're gone.
There's 2 left. I think it's
Where?
fun. I don't know, but like there's 2 in the server.
Oh wait, one person over there.
Alright, let's go to the Discord server real quick.
Voyagers. I'll put him in combat,
Nice.
We should make 13 contact with the.
Psycho Contractor.
What is that flamer up?
That.
What the hell?
He's still gonna die. It don't even matter. This guy's not the boss, right?
Where does he think he's going, bro?
That's
head over
how you lose.
Oh my god.
Alright, I got another one. I got another clip. Good shit, guys. W. I got like a couple.
Wait, who's that over there?
Let's go to the Discord server.
Who's that?
Wait, that's Voyagers too.
Where?
Fucking
Who's that
Canola,
over
little
there?
fucking hazard brain spray.
Where does he think he's going, bro?
That's how you lose any game.
Oh my
Do my best off.
If you beat me, I'm gonna
I
die.
can't get both. I can't get us both.
Okay.
I'm literally-
I'll just try to run then.
I'm rejoining on our slot, bro. Like, holy shit. Like, fucking Rising Wind, and then, like, I get hit by Rising Wind, another one fucking comes up and pops Rising Wind. It's a true combo. It's a
Why are
true
they
air
rolling
combo.
wanting? They're fucking rolling wanting.
We won! It's over! We won!
I don't know where he is.
I'm following him with Ant Gobbler.
Wait, do they not have a Where do you talk?
Where they at?
We were in their Discord. There's just no
I'm in Cromway. I'm just
no
like.
wastelands.
Alright, send me the Discord invite.
It's in overclock.
I tell him. There's a snake. There's a snake that leaked the tournament. There's a snake that leaked the tournament. You should fight. You should fight.
Okay.
Music song. Please,
I
grab.
just found my dog.
Alright, get out.
And my
Yeah,
sister
alright.
taught me
Okay.
how
Back to the other VC.
Alright, so first of all, I want to appreciate you for watching the entire fucking video. And the next person I want to thank is like all of my day one overclockings or graphenes. No matter how you know them, they came out to this game to help me. And then I also want to thank Dolphins and their guild for coming out. I don't think we could have won without them. We couldn't have won without anybody all doing their part. Next things up I want to mention is that I don't play Thunder Call. I'm like an exclusive Frost player. So any clips of you see me doing bad with Thunder Call, I don't play Thunder. That's just inexperience. And yeah, it was definitely one of the games of all time. It lasted fucking 2 hours, and like half of the guild was on cheese builds. Like I had to fight fucking Kai's Winter contractors, like Kai's Cedra contractors, Silent Art Railblades, or no, I think it was Silent Art Crycedra after rework, so I don't even know what I'm fighting, because I hadn't fought any Silent Arts at all. It's been like when this gank was recorded, it was like 40 minutes after they shut down the servers, and I didn't have any experience fighting fucking Summoner. Anyways, yeah, so, that's just it. I don't know when I'll upload again, but when I do, you'll see it. So, and with that, hope you enjoyed the video.